Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends, introduce yourself. My name is Kansa and my friend.
My name is Azahra Dikla Indria.
Here we want to have a dialogue between pharmacists and patients. Me as a pharmacist
And me as a patient.
Let's get started. Good afternoon, Mom. I'm Kansa Prendiana, the pharmacist at this pharmacy. Can I help you?
Good afternoon, Miss Kansa. I want to consult my health problem.
In advice, if you might know whose mother name is?
My name is Azahra Dikla.
How old is Mom?
I'm 27 years old.
What disease complaints do you feel?
I have a cough with phlegm. What do you think the medicine is?
How long have you been coughing?
It's been 2 days. See, you have cough from.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, miss. My body is little hot.
Alright, I choose the medicine for a moment, okay?
Okay, miss.
Alright.
Great.
Alright, Mom. This Paratoxin cough medicine to relieve fever, headache, nasal congestion, and sneezing, accompanied by tossing for the age of 27 years, taken 3 times a day, 1 tablet.
Okay, miss.
Oh yeah, Mom. This drug has a side effect of drowsiness, so I suggest after drinking this mother salt, rest, and also dry mouth, so you should drink lots of water.
Yes, miss.
Do you have any other question about this medicine, Mom?
I don't think no, miss. Thank you for the information.
You are welcome.
I hope.
You get well. Thanks for watching
And
wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, my friends.